Qonto's approval workflow is not about complexity. It is about control, speed, and accountability for businesses handling serious money. When set up correctly, it becomes a silent system that protects cash flow, reduces errors, and eliminates unnecessary spending without slowing operations. The core strategy begins with role-based permissions. Every team member should have access aligned strictly with their responsibility. Junior staff initiate expenses, department heads validate relevance, and financial controllers approve final execution. This layered structure prevents unauthorized spending while keeping decisions close to operational reality. No single individual should control initiation and approval at the same time. Approval thresholds are the second pillar. Low-value transactions should flow quickly to avoid operational friction. Higher-value payments must trigger additional approvals automatically. This ensures small daily expenses do not clog the system, while significant outflows receive scrutiny. For example, expenses under $500 move with one approval, mid-range payments require two, and anything above $5,000 demands executive validation. Automation is where Qonto's workflow becomes powerful. Recurring expenses, trusted vendors, and payroll payments should be pre-approved under fixed rules. This removes repetitive approvals and reduces human delay. Manual approvals should be reserved for exceptions, not routine operations. Real-time notifications are critical. Approvers must receive instant alerts, not delayed emails. Decisions made within minutes protect vendor relationships and prevent late fees. At the same time, rejection reasons must be mandatory. This creates a feedback loop that improves future spending behavior. The final strategy layer is visibility. Every approved and rejected transaction should be logged, searchable, and exportable. This allows finance teams to track spending patterns, detect inefficiencies, and prepare audits without stress. When structured this way, Qonto's approval workflow becomes more than a feature. It becomes a financial discipline system that scales with growth, protects revenue, and ensures every dollar moves with intention.